What's today? Wednesday. Okay. Yo, how's it going, Octo? The green screen is back up? Yep. For now, we'll see how it goes. I kind of don't like it, but also it might be just because of my lighting is kind of crap. Like, all I have is the ceiling lighting. We'll see. Probably shouldn't have worn a green shirt. Yeah, you're right. But it doesn't actually seem that bad. I thought it was going to be worse. But I noticed it wasn't terrible. Here, I can even reduce the quality. I mean, not the quality, the filter. Like, slightly. It's just that you'll see the, here. Whoops. Wait, no. Wait, what the hell? Why is it getting worse? Oh, no. There we go. Is it because your shirt is green? Yes. My shirt is green. But it's weird, because, like, this is pretty green, and it's not too bad, actually. Like, I would describe this as a green shirt, and yet it's still... You can still see it, for the most part. I had some stuff to my bot today. Oh, so today actually we're gonna do something like I really like this. I do really like this, but this is still the 16 by 16 and it's not perfect. So what I'm going to do is we're going to try to use LDTK to try to import this texture and make, like, you know, a dynamic version of this. Hopefully it'll work out. Looks like quite high detail. The thing is, it's the same, like, it's not like it's a higher resolution, it's just bigger tiles. But if we make it dynamic enough where it shows both 8 by 8 and 16 by 16, then it's I think it'll be fine. It's quite oh yeah, the colors are gonna change. This is, yeah, the colors are just placeholders. Here, we can even test it out right now, actually, for fun. Because who knows, maybe this texture, this spreadsheet's not that good, actually. What is it? Cave? Yellow cave? Yellow cave. Dude, if Sekros was here, I feel like he would be so happy right now to find out that I'm going to try LDTK. What do you guys think about the green screen? Yay or nay? Moon is. Yo, how's it going, Jason? Love the green screen? Nice. I'm glad you like it. Yeah. We'll see how it goes. I kind of liked the idea of not having a green screen because it's like it's more, I don't know, personal, I guess. You know, you get to see my room. But at the same time, you know, we've been streaming for a while now. Maybe it's time to take this whole streaming thing seriously. I don't know. We'll see. Okay. Oh, there's one thing I could do. I could also just convert this color map. Now, let's see. Let's see what this looks like. Color map of image 2, convert. Nothing Nothing happened. Is it? Did anything change? Maybe it did. I think it did change. Let me see. Oh, it did change. Oh, wow. These colors are very similar. Okay. So this is technically the new color palette, it seems. Let me see. Let me just make sure. Convert. So if I export this right now. 12-hour stream pog. Yeah. Enjoy the 12-hour stream. I think this looks worse, to be honest. I think it needs to be darker. The green, yeah. This is too bright. Let's see. Let's give that a shot. And we need a nice, like an orangey color for this. And then there's this like bluish color. Let me try this one maybe. Top of the drawer shenanigans, yeah. Yo, I actually like this. Well, I like it more. Maybe the yellow needs to be darker. And maybe the purple, maybe we could change the purple to something else. The issue, I like to have the tile map a little bit brighter. The random green tiles look a bit out of place. Are you talking about these ones right here? Or these ones? Which color did we use? I think we used this one, right? Yeah. Number 2. Okay. Wait, I keep clicking on the same one thinking it's the darker. Okay, there we go. Here, let's see. I could remove these green ones, or maybe I could even just make it this dark color instead. Specifically for these tiles, what I'm thinking is we have some extra, like grass would be on top of this one, and it would be sort of like in the foreground. We'll see. Also, wait, oops. I think I want a darker, is this? Okay, so we're using this one as our dark. Do we have anything darker than, let me try this. Is blue too much? Maybe. What the hell? Oh. Could try that too. Maybe that's too many colors though. Let's just give this a shot, see what it looks like. So yeah, there would be like grass on top of this. It would be like, you know, inside the tile and then on top of the tile. I kind of like the way it looks, but I'm not. I'm not an artist, so I don't know. We could also, I don't know if I want to keep it consistent with like the previous tile set, which was like using maybe this as like our darkest color. So it would be this color, and then, I don't know, maybe this one. Ooh, yo, I kind of like this. And the green, I'd say the green looks better now. Maybe I would have to reduce the like the rarity of this one though. Like, I don't want it to spam this much. I want it to be like in random spots. Like, out of all of these in the screen, like just one of them I think is fine. Yeah, not bad. But yeah, we still need to try to figure out how to implement this, because like our own custom way of doing this was, I don't know, it wasn't that good. I mean, we didn't finish it, and I'm sure if we spent like a few more days on it, we could make it work. But I also want to see what it would be like to just implement it via LDTK. Also, my tea is probably ready. 1 second. Where's my cup? It's so hard to get a consistent schedule, like sleeping schedule for me. You know, like the last 2 days I woke up, 2 days ago I think I woke up at 5. No, 3 days ago I woke up at 5. 2 days ago I woke up at like 7 or 8. Then yesterday I woke up at 8. And today I woke up at 12. It's so inconsistent. I feel like I just need to do it for a few weeks. I wake up at 7. I don't know, it's difficult for me. I guess because I don't have nothing is holding me to sleep at. Like I think I went to bed at 11, but I stayed in bed and I just couldn't sleep. That's how normal people sleep? Well, we're not normal people. NPCs don't sleep. All right, let's look at LDTK. I might have to like watch a tutorial at the same time. So I could look at examples. Maybe we can just import textures into this one. Stems are multiple tiles that are generated by rules. Click on the rules button on the left to see them. Rules. Rules. Stamp. Wall base. Okay. Wait a second. So yeah, this is exactly what I want to do, but it's kind of difficult to figure out how to do this. Wall base. Wall base is what? Maybe we should try. Oops. Creating our own test LDTK. Okay. So how do we import a texture? Okay. Sprites. Search for Yellow Cave tile map. Opened it up. Okay. So can we do tiles layout? If I set this to 8, can type any type of data here. So stored in project JSON. Numbers, text, basically any tile related to blah, 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 blah. I think for now, let's just see if we can get away with not doing anything. Wishlisted? Oh, thank you. Thank you, Jason. Where's the music? You don't hear the music? You should hear the music. It says there's music playing. What tile app is this? This is LDTK. It's not very loud. Well, it shouldn't be very loud. Alright, sounds good. Okay, yeah, it's a very, apparently it's a very, like, powerful tool, specifically for level editing. The issue I'm having with Godot at the moment is that I want to integrate both 8x8 pixel, like 8x8 tiles, and 16x16 tiles, and create like an auto tile with that. We tried doing this yesterday, and it's a lot more difficult, I guess, than I was expecting. I can show you what we got so far. So this is like my own, like the only way you can do this is if you have 2 tile maps. Like you need, unless you're, maybe there's a better way to do it in Godot 4, but in Godot 3.x, this is the only approach. Basically, I made an 8x8 grid. We iterate through this grid. So, for example, this is our 8x8, and I run this, this tool script. And what happens is, yeah, it converts. The beginning ones are pretty easy, then the edge pieces become a little bit more difficult. Honestly, maybe I could try. Okay, so yeah, getting the edge pieces are really difficult, especially if we have an odd number of pixels, because now, you know, well, getting this part was relatively easy, but then filling in the rest was kind of hard. And then we still haven't handled this section right here. So if I do this again, just 1 tile lower, you'll see the bottom looks all right. And then this part right here needs to be updated to look more like this section right here. And also another issue is that if we start here from the top, oops, it also becomes an issue, and it just disappears. Because we're bound to the 16x16 grid. So that's the problem. We can't just, we could technically push it up, but it's not wise to do that. Honestly, I could. What do I want to do? Do I want to learn how to use LDTK and add another tool to my game, or do I want to figure out how to make my own like dynamic tile map? Yeah, I've been stuck in this loop since yesterday. LDTK seems like it's it is a powerful tool, but I don't know if I want to like rely on it. Interface. Okay. You know, low-key, I want to make my own tool. I would rather make it myself. Because also, we could make a tutorial on this. Like, if I could figure this out. I wonder if you could do this in Godot 4. I haven't seen anything really about it. So I think someone's trying to explain it here, maybe? No. This is from 2018. Mini tile mode. Different size tiles. Yeah, I think we have to make our own script for it. Let's see. Yo, how's it going, Sticks? I had a good stream today, that's good to hear. Did you finish the, last time I watched your stream, you were working on the, that huge canvas. Like, it looked like a really big level. Level 4 map is finished, nice, hell yeah. Now a lot of art, asset integrations, and new bugs. Hell yeah. All right. I think I want to make this. I think I can make this work. We just have to spend more brain cells on the topic, on the issue. All right. So this looks like it's an even tile map. Let's get this corner piece fixed. And then I also need to figure out how to make this top piece work. I think solving the right side is just one of the problems. Then we have to do solving starting from an odd tile, which is 0, -1, and then we have to figure out, you know, the left side, and we also need to figure out starting on an odd side on the left. There's a lot to do. And I'm sure we'll figure out like a more dynamic approach later on, but we're still like, I think we're still hard coding it because we don't know exactly what we need to do for every situation. So yeah, let's get this working. I got this top piece working. But then this piece is messed up because we're checking like for 0.5 values. Like I just messed up somewhere. We'll figure this out. So that's set filler tiles. This is what we need to do. Let's figure this out. Okay. If tile map die get cell divided by 2. This is always going to be, it's not equal to -1. Input cell. We need like a, let me see. Let me open up Paint real quick. Let's grab a grid too. Twitch API is annoying. Yeah, more brain cells is always better. Yeah. Okay, so what is the issue here? this is our full, let me see. We're starting out here. Let's say this is the 16 by 16, and then we have an extra, and then we have our 8 by 8s right here. This is 0, wait. Let me see. Okay, 0, 0, 1, 0, and then 2, 0. So this is 2, 0. Divided by 2, it becomes 1. It's only ever a problem on odd. I think it's only going to be ever a problem on 2 zeros, or like, yeah, basically on even values. Let me just make sure that's true for every case. Like this would be, oops, this would be 0, 1 and 0, 2. Now let's make this blue. 2. No, thank you, Octo. Okay, so this divided by 2 becomes 1, 0. If there's something, oh wait, actually, it becomes 1, 0 minus 1, and then we see that that there is a tile here, and that means that it needs to be a filler tile, I believe. So let's go back into Godot. Amazing feature of holding Shift and Tab to remove an indent. Oh yeah. It's pretty useful. Okay. So input cell divided by 2 plus vector 2 dot left. If it's not equal to -1, basically if there's something there, then we check if there's anything above that tile. So I think this is our problem when we're checking for decimals. That's when it becomes a problem. So what we'll do is if input cell divided by 2. The issue is that we don't know if we're on an odd tile or an even tile on the y-axis. If input cell divided by 2 plus vector 2 let's just try, let me try no negatives, no decimals right here. So plus vector 2 -1 that goes upwards is not equal to -1, then we'll set the tile to 2. Okay. What's going on here? Oops. And then what's this? Else we do some other crap. Let me see. What is 2 again? Is 2 our... We don't even have 2. Okay, let's create a 2. So we only want to add this tile right here to our top. So... $17.40 UTC. Nice. That sounds right. Sounds about right. Okay, so 3. This disappears. Let's try this again. This is on an even tile. Okay, now we're getting nothing, which is, I guess, correct? No, wait, what? Let me print this out. input cell divided by 2 plus vector 2. Okay. So our first one is 4 negative 0.5. Yeah, we need to figure out how do we deal with the decimals. I guess we would have to check if it's an odd value, if it's an even cell on the y-axis. Is that the only way to do it? Because if it's an even cell, we need to go one cell above. That's the thing. But I'm also wondering if maybe we don't even have to do this. Maybe we should just check, like before we, I'm trying to think. Input cell plus vector 2. Yeah, and if we do this, I think this solves our first problem, but not everything. So we get, oh, wait. This worked. But this is, I don't know if this works for everything, does it? Oh, it seems, huh. It does work for these sections. If we were to have an odd value here, I think what we would do is we would actually just make it look like that. And it would be like the top auto tile. I think that's what we would do. We haven't solved that problem just yet, but yeah. Alright, let's keep looking at it. So, on the top, we got this one working. I don't know if this 0.5 is going to be the solution going forward, but we'll try it out for now. Okay. What's the next thing that we need to do? We need to grab this same thing, or actually no, we need an else statement. Also, I'm curious as to why 2 is this. Let me see. Oh yeah, it's wrong. It's supposed to be. We don't actually have a value here just yet. We have 1, so it's supposed to be 1 actually. Let's make sure this works. Did we break something? What the hell? No way. Oh no. Okay, so we did not solve the problem. We solved it for this side, so maybe what we should say is, what, if it is equal to -1? I think that's actually it's not equal to -1, and this one is equal to -1. Yeah, actually that's true. Now let's try this again. There we go. Okay, and now we need to solve for these pieces right here. Magic tile map. Yeah, this is a magic tile map. Okay, for these sections, so we'll have an else statement right here, and all we'll do, let's make the tile map right, let's update the tile map right now. We're going to need, this. So else this will be 2. And let's run it again. And it seems to get it right, but then all of these other pieces just disappear now. Let's see. Yeah, okay. So what are we doing here? Set filler tile. In a set filler tile, we're iterating through all of... No, that doesn't make any sense. Why are they disappearing now? Yeah, wait, what? Is it all because we added a second... Let me see. Oh no, did we accidentally delete our auto tile here? Yeah, we did. Oh god. What the hell? Okay. Whew. Yeah, what the, dude, messing with our, wait, bitmask. Yeah, oh my god. For some reason, our area 2D got deleted. I mean, our auto tile got deleted, which is kind of annoying. Okay. New auto tile. Let's do this again. Here, let's create the bit mask, which is, honestly, I think we could just leave it like this. We can even include some variations. Okay. Then we need to create a new single tile, which is this one, and then one more single tile. Okay. There we go. Alright, so this one seems like it's fixed. We need to make sure that this comes back in. And now we have these pieces. Now we have to solve the bottom. Wait, is this a... Yeah, this bottom piece is solved for. Now we have to fix the bottom... these pieces right here. And that's just going to be the same thing, but just downwards. So our input cell... Here, let's get rid of all of this other stuff. Yo, how's it going, Mr. Glick? Okay. If our... What is this? 4 tile map? For cell in tile map.get cells. Wait, why is this here? Doesn't this just erase all of our tiles? For cell in tile map, use cells. Set cell v of cell to -1. Yeah, this is just delete. Set filler tiles. Ooh. Reset big cells. Oh, reset. Okay, whoops. There we go. Okay. So this is checking for the left. Now we need to check for the bottom. So I think we could just do this. If get cell of input cell divided by 2 plus 1.5 is equal to -1, then we set the cell to 1. It's not going to be 1 anymore, it's going to be, let's just set it to 2, just to see if it works. Didn't seem like it worked, actually. Let me print these cells, I don't know what they are. Cell position, 7, 4.5, 7, and 5, and then 7 and 5.5. There's not... we are only handling the right side. I think we actually need to... yeah, we're doing something wrong here. Let's get rid of this. We're only going to check for the bottom, so... if get cell of input cell plus vector 2 of -1 plus... actually, this is still of input cell of 0 is equal to -1. Let's try that. Plus 1.5. Oh my god. I'm not supposed to run this. Oh, it you know, it seems like it is working. We see this in the background. Let's see. There we go. Okay, so we need to solve for this corner piece though. Let me comment this out one more time. I think it does work on the corner. Let me see. Oh, what the frick? Let's try this again. Okay. What's going on here with our autotile? It's like it's not saving anymore for some reason. Yeah, what the hell? It should still work. What's going on? Do 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 do. Oh wait. What the hell is going on? Oh, there we go. Yeah, it's so weird. Okay. So, yeah, the bottom... let's try that. Yeah, the bottom usually looks good until we... let me see. Yeah, the bottom always looks good. Now it's just a matter of fixing these dudes, and that's with this line right here, but then our corner piece gets messed up again. So let's run this one more time. Oh, also, yeah, there's something we're doing wrong here with the odds and evens. Why is this perfect? So we need to push these. One, we need to push them up. One tile. Minus vector 2 dot right and plus vector 2 dot up. There we go. And now we can actually, I believe this is, wait, let me just make sure. Yeah, okay. You just do this one more time, but with this tile map here, with this size. Yeah, okay, so this corner piece still is messed up, but this is only when we don't account for this. This is like not when we're adding an extra tile right here. Okay. And we're also getting some extra tiles up here. We'll fix that too. Let me add this extra tile. So this is a downwards tile that we need to add. Or wait, no. Let me see. Let me think. Let me see. We need. What do we need? Do we need this one? I already forgot. No. We need. I don't think we actually have one for this yet. Yeah, we didn't make one. We basically need one of these, or maybe this. Maybe this one's fine. Let's try it out. Cool. I think. Oh no! Wait, why is this one 2 now? This one's set to 3 as well. This one's supposed to be set to. Let me just make sure we didn't mess up here. 1 is the top, which is not what it's set to. 2 is the right side, and then 3 is the bottom. For whatever reason, this one's always true. If input cell divided by 2... Here, I mean, actually, wait. So this one is solved for, this one is solved. Oh yeah, okay. All of these work. These corner pieces are still screwed up. I think it'll even be screwed up this way too. And what the hell is going on now? So specifically, we would actually want this to be its own unique corner piece. This, I don't know why this is here. Let me try this again. I'm gonna try it with a smaller square too. Okay, so an even one would look like this. Even. And then odd. And try odd on the bottom. Is this odd on the bottom? No. And this is odd. Okay, odd on the bottom looks pretty good. This left side, I don't know what the hell's going on there. And then, all right, let's fix this. We'll fix this. I'm gonna leave this the way it is for now. I'm trying to think what we would even do here. But yeah, why the hell? What do I do for this one? Dot left. I think we. Oh wait. Does not equal -1. No. Oh my god. That didn't solve it. Okay. Wait, what? We just had it working. What did I do? Hi Mac, thank you for the follow. This seems. This is 6. This part is fine the way it is. The top part is good. Okay, yeah. We still have this left piece here. I think what we could just say. What if I'm feeling I just have to copy this over. So we didn't. This does not work. If input cell divided by 2. Our first position. Wait, let's just see what this is. Cell position is -1, 5. That's this one, right? Yeah, -1, 5. How are we getting negative 1, 5? If our input cell of 0 plus 1.5 is equal to a negative 1, is equal to negative 1? I could have sworn maybe I'm supposed to make it not equal to negative 1, but then this would break it, right? Like, this would not work. Yeah. So what is our point? Let's break this down. Let's do 3. Let's go up to 6. 6, 6. Run it. So at this point right here, we're at 3, 6. 3, 6 over here. If it's not equal to negative 1, wait, plus 1.5 is not equal to negative 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Plus 1.5. Yeah, that wouldn't work, right? Oh wait, no, but were you... Let me try that. God damn it. Wait, this is 2 and... Wait, this is 2 and this is... And we're checking... this point right here, which is... 6. Wait. Yeah, 2 and 6. 2... I feel like we probably did this already. But wait, there's one more thing we didn't check. We need to also check if the vector to the left is not negative. Okay. There we go. Damn, dude, there's so many like edge cases we haven't solved for. Like, one, like if we start off on an even side, on like corner pieces we haven't solved for. Oh my goodness, there's gonna be so much to do. Okay. Okay. 3, 4. I think 6 is the best one to test out for now. Okay, so now we have to handle the left side. The left side, I think, is just checking for vector 2 dot left. Flex vector 2 dot left. If it's not equal to the thing is, this is proving to be true, so we have to check. How is it proving to be true? Let's see. What's our first tile? -1, 5. It's not equal to -1. Oh, okay, yeah. Wait, no. Oh, do we not get? I thought we had like something sticking out from the on the left side. I guess not. I'm dumb. Okay. Yeah. So now we just need to edit these tiles right here. The left side. The left side. And we also need to worry about this. Like if we start on a negative value here, then this entire thing gets screwed up. Oh. Dude, how has no one's made something like this for Godot yet? Dynamic auto tile. And I'm wondering maybe if there's a better approach for this that like maybe we can make a super simplified version of this where we don't. So I think I just thought of something. We can. Okay, here's my new idea. We could keep going on at this, but there's just too many. Like, there's too many. Like edge cases with this. Here, wait, let me clear everything up. Like, there's too much stuff. Oh goddamn! I think we just broke it. Let's try that again. Hey, how's it going, Anthony? So yeah, there's too many edge cases, but what I'm thinking is maybe what we could do is actually just check if we're on a valid point. Like, for example, if we're on an even point and there's nothing to the left and there's nothing to the right, then we'll put a 16 by 16. Instead of iterating through everything and converting everything to a 16 by 16 every single time, we'll just check if it's valid for this section. I think that's maybe a better approach. Trying to figure out Rust stuff. Nice. Command line args mostly, I see. Okay. So yeah, so I think what we'll do is check if valid. I think we'll make a new function called check if valid. Let's give that a shot. If this doesn't work, then we'll go back to trying LDTK and like actually trying to learn it. Yeah, let's do this. Let's make one more function called replace all. My man invested in a green screen. Indeed we did. Big cells, U cells, let's get to use. We could do, just throw in this. For cell and U cells, U cells dot has plus vector 2 dot right. Yeah, we're gonna, let's just get rid of all of this. I'll call this replace all. Yo, how's it going, Dev? If input test. Input isn't declared. Test input. That's this. Okay. Let's just get rid of this. A lot of work ahead and no clue what I can do in my stream today. Might use Blender to make some icons or something. Let's see. So what do you, how do you typically go about your streams, Dev? Like, do you prepare your stream for like something in particular that you want to stream? Because usually I kind of, me personally, what I do is I kind of just wing it. Like, even if sometimes it hurts my stream too, because like sometimes I have literally no, like for example today we're kind of just winging this approach. Don't know if it's gonna work, but it is what it is. Check. Okay, check valid cell. So what we'll do is we'll check first if it's an even or odd cell. Let me just double check. This technically odd cells are technically the ones that are invalid. I mean, sorry, even cells are the ones that are invalid on the x-axis. Let me see. So this is invalid. This is valid. This is, wait. Yeah, this is valid. This is invalid. Okay. So if input cell dot x, how do you check if it's even? Godot check. Oh, just mod. Is there no like function that Godot uses? Okay. Yo, practical green screen today? Yeah. And 10 minutes of prep, making coffee, smoke a cig, and hype myself up. I see. I think that's the right way to go. Average programmer doesn't know how to check if something is even, yeah. Cell. Actually, at this point, we would just return. I don't know if we would. Yeah, we'll return false for now. If cell. So on the y-axis, I think it's the same thing. Let me see. -1. And I think what we'll also do is, I feel like we need to divide these into like subsections. So like this would be one subsection. This would be like another subsection. And like we would have to iterate through each of these. Like we would have to create them. I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure how to go about it. We'll see. Sorry if I missed your stream yesterday. I went to bed early. No worries. You know, I feel like I feel like no one's. What am I trying to say? No one's held to like, you know, no one's held accountable to watch my streams. You know. Oh no. We can't joke about that. Alright, we're doing reset big cells, use cells is equal to, okay, so, for cell in used cells, if, what was it, check cell valid? What did we write? What do we call it? If check valid. Okay, so if our cell is valid, actually there's more to this that we didn't do. So, this is just the first part. Next thing we needed to do is check if there's a tile to the left. So if and I wonder if we have to iterate through all of them. Oh no, we could. I think we could also just say if get cell v of cell plus vector 2 dot left. I have to implement other half of my code. See you when it's done. All right, sounds good. See you on the other side. Okay. If cell plus vector 2 dot left is not equal to -1, or sorry, if it is equal to -1, return and then finally, whoops, what's going on here? Vector 2 dot up. If wait. This is on an even. We gotta make sure I'm doing this correctly. This is okay. So this is a valid cell. This is a valid cell. And we're iterating through. Maybe we should iterate through the odd cells as well on the y-axis. So this is actually the cell that we're accounting for. So we would check if there's something above. Wait, no. We would have to check if there's something above. Like, literally this entire section we would have to check. Right? I was checking this side before, but yeah, I think we're supposed to be checking this. And technically we need to check all of these sides. Check if all of these points are valid. Not just... Oh wait, but if we're checking if it's even, then... Okay, yeah, checking for whether it's even is the first step. Wait. Yeah, okay. So return false. Vector 2 dot left, vector 2 dot up. So we'll just do this. Do we have to do this for everything? I think so. So we did it up, and we have to do up left now. Or we could say, yeah, let's just leave it like this. It's just easier to read. Okay. And if all of these points, if all of this is true, then we can return true. Okay. So if valid, I'm trying to think if this only solves for one tile, and we don't know what type of tile it's going to be. We can auto tile it. So like, let's say we have one here. This will this would be set to a tile. We have one here. This would be set to a tile. But then let's say we have one here for whatever reason. Or let's just say we have this. Or maybe this. This is when it becomes kind of weird. Because we don't know. Whew. So we know we can automatically check if it's valid and then make it a specific tile. Now we need to figure out how, like, what type of tile. Like, do we want to check if there's anything above this? If there's anything above this tile, then we know it's going to be like a top, a topwards tile. But the thing is, let's say we have this. These are invalid tiles, invalid 16 by 16 tiles. What does that do for these bottom tiles? Should we check for that? Like, if there's nothing above. So what we could do is also check if there's anything above. So we could iterate through some of these. Like, we could say, let me see. Okay, if getCell of input cell plus vector 2 dot left times 2. I'm just gonna try this out. Times 2. I'm not entirely sure if this is important, but we'll do it anyway. This would check if the upper left side is also there. Don't know if that's important, but we'll do it. Okay. So let's see. Wait. Input cell. Okay. Times 2. Alright. So return true. Now what we're going to do is we're going to replace the cell. This is replace all. Make another function called add large cell. Who needs cells nowadays? True. So we'll say tilemap dot add, or sorry, dot set cell v of our input cell plus vector 2 dot left plus vector 2 dot up. Gotta go. See ya. Peace. I'll see you around. Okay, add large cell of cell, and I think set cell v. Oh, set cell v. This, and we'll set it to 0 for now. Let's see what this does. So we got one here. Boom. Doesn't work at all. That's what we like to see. Use cells, first cell, check. Invalid floats operate. Oh, what the hell? If input cell dot x invalid operands float and int. You have to say float. Oops. Invalid operands float and float in operator. What the hell? What the hell? Why is this not working? Okay. So when we replace the cell, we also want to say, this divided, or actually, I think we would just say our input cell divided by 2. Okay. Let's give it another shot. Boom. So it randomly sets. Wait, let's do this again. I mean, it seems like it's kind of working, but not really. This should set it to 1, which it doesn't. If we do nothing, nothing, nothing. Okay, I think this whole this part is not right. Let me try that. Oh, wait. Oh, it was there. It's just that we don't see it. Okay, wait. Let's actually bring that back. Wait. So above it is wrong. Okay. Let me comment this out again. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4 on. Okay, so these get replaced. Let's try this. I mean, they all seem to be replaced. And then this side gets messed up. Trying to think, what would we do in this case? Also, it seems like we're let me see. This is not much different from our old code. It's just dun, 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 dun. We can reduce the amount of like valid walls we can have. So like the only valid walls that we might want to keep are maybe these ones right here. This one, this one. Like these two can be valid since they're in their own like little section. Same with these, can also be valid. Anything that's not on the edge or on a corner piece can be a valid piece. So if there's something to the left, if there's something to the right, it's a valid piece. If there's something below, it's a valid piece. Okay, so let me try this again. See how this looks. Oops. Oh, whoa. Let's try that again. Everything seems like it's a valid piece here, though. We don't want these to be valid pieces. So what was that? This is the point that we're checking. If there's anything to the right or above, it won't be a valid piece. Okay. Oh, wait, actually, no, that doesn't make sense. If there's anything to the right. Wait, is there... This is... Oh, no, never mind. I'm worried if we have all these if statements, it's going to screw us up. If input cell plus vector 2 dot left times 2. Get cell v input cell plus vector 2 dot right. Let's try this. Wait. This is the annoying part of game dev. I think the annoying part for me is just knowing that there's another, like, I don't know. The annoying part for me is that there are multiple solutions to this, so I don't know if it's worth it to try this out, you know? If I knew this was the only solution, then, like, I guess I wouldn't mind. But yeah. So these top parts are messed up now. If input cell vector 2 dot right plus vector 2 dot right. God damn. So should I try LDTK? I'd have to watch like a YouTube video on like how to do everything though. Also, I feel like editing is also going to be pretty annoying. Wait, we need... Also, it doesn't grow in... Yeah, we need 320 by 180, I think. Like, adding new rooms, I feel like is going to be slightly annoying as well. Tile sets. Let's see. Tiles layout. Dude, I'm in a loop right now. I don't know. Give me 1 second. They already have an example project. I just need to figure out how to use it. Looks like 9 slicing stuff. Don't know much about the like the names of everything, but basically what I want to do is, whoops. Make a tile map that uses both 16 by 16 and 8 by 8 tiles. Something like this. And it's a lot harder than it seems. Well, one, it's a lot harder to program to make it as dynamic as this. One, because we're also... The issue with this is that we're not only dealing with like simple squares, but we also need to make sure that these are like... Actually, I think they do it here, where like the top part is... You can see like the top part is brighter. Bottom part is darker. So it has to do that. Then we also need to fill in the inside. And we also need to make sure that these simple tiles right here are also dynamically placed, where like this top one needs to be brighter. Or let's say this one specifically needs to be a downwards tile, you know? So yeah, this needs to be a downwards tile. These need to be downwards tiles. These need to be upwards tiles. These need to be left. Well, actually, I'm not even sure what would happen here. This would be an upwards tile. This would be either a left tile or... Yeah, it would be a left tile. So, like, making it this dynamic is, like, at least hella annoying in scripting it. And I'm actually, now that I'm looking at this, I don't even know if this would solve my problems. Like, the problems that I currently have. Let me see. Can we just replace this tile set and see what... So there's a background auto tile. Tile 1, 2, 2. Where do they add like their rules? Let me see. There's no rules that way. Enums, entities, layers, walls. Okay. Grid size, auto layer tutorial. Create a tile set. Where do we go? Yeah, how do we add rules to our thing? Add some rules. Only manual instead of automatic. I feel like you can do it with LDTK. Like, they have done a lot of... They've made it work pretty well, but maybe it would be quicker to just manually draw all of this. How come I can't add rules, though? How do you... Oh, rules. Okay, so one by one, enable help. The issue with me using this is that I can't tell what the hell is going on here. Wave function collapse looks at the tiles around it to decide what to place. Wave function collapse. That's actually that's what Godot does actually. The thing is, Godot's auto tile is not enough. At least in 3.x or whatever. Maybe I should watch a YouTube video, but if I watch it, like, I don't want to stream and watch a YouTube video. I would probably do it off stream. LDTK guide. Creating game worlds. Let me see if they do. You know what I'm thinking we could do as well? Is maybe just make custom rules for every direction. Like, maybe I can make my own custom rules, but like, maybe I'll only handle the top for now. And if we get that working, maybe I'll handle the bottom. Because these videos, it doesn't seem like it's tackling what I need it to do. I remember watching this. What am I trying to do again? 16 by 16 tiles and 8 by 8 tiles, both together, one in one tile map. Okay. Yeah, I think we're gonna try to handle just the top. I can't get way too ahead of myself. I'm just gonna do top tiles. Why? For I guess the aesthetic of the game to make it look better. I'll be right back. Another reason why it has to be done this way, is because, wait, what was I gonna say? No, let's go back to what we had originally. Or actually, no. We'll. I think checking if it's valid is still a good approach, specifically for checking if it's even or odd. And then at this point, what I'm also going to do is check if there's anything above it. If there's anything above it, we're not going to do anything. So basically, let's get rid of all of this. Anything above it. Oh, wait a second. It's not equal to -1. Before we do this, we're also going to wait. I think before we do this, we're going to check if there's anything above this. Here, let's do this. Plus vector 2 dot up times 2. If it's equal to -2, if it is equal to -1, no. If it's not equal to -1, return false. That way we're only getting the top. Wait, God damn, bro. Gets LV of input cell times 2. That's what? Let me see. Plus 1 times 2. Basically, if there's something here, we don't want it to run anything. Yeah, okay. Let's make sure it replaces. What the hell? Why is nothing happening? Oh, there we go. Okay, I guess we just never saved it. Alright, so this works. Let's try this. There we go. Oh, okay. So if we do all of this, it works. Then this final piece acts a little weird. What we're gonna do for this final piece, everything else should be, let me see. Yeah, okay. Cool. So everything else is going to be its own auto tile. And what we'll do for now in this auto tile, we are setting it to 1. I think if we use this. What the hell? Did I flip it? There we go. We're gonna set this to our auto tile. We're gonna keep this here. We're never gonna. Should we do corner pieces? Corner pieces on this side could screw us over. Let's see, what does this look like? Yeah, it's gonna look like the same thing. Okay. So let's update the bit mask area of add large cell. In add large cell, we'll say update bit mask area of input area. Alright, so run this again. Why didn't it update bit mask area of input? Oh. Oh, we also don't have, let's update our bit mask here. So we're only going to handle, what's going on? Dude. Let's try this out. Snap options are fine. Our minimal thing is going to be this. See how that looks. Cool. So we get these top tiles. The left side looks good. The right side looks good. So what we're going to do for this part right here is... I don't know, because then we're gonna get pieces like, but maybe we could leave it like that. Maybe it won't look too strange. We'll see. So let's fix our auto tile. So this is what our auto tile will look like. Let's see what this looks like. So yeah, these corner pieces look weird. I think we need to turn this into something else. I think it looks weird. Maybe it's not as weird as maybe I'm just being too judgmental. But okay, now if we do this is when it becomes a problem. If there's something to the left of this section here, let's just actually start doing this. See what's wrong with it, with all of this. Run it. None of these are working because they're odd. What the hell? So this part is working. I don't know why this is not working. I assume it's maybe we have to put this here. Let's see. Boom. Okay, now these sections are working. This corner piece looks a little weird. This actually doesn't look too bad. But this is on an even spot, so that would make sense. If we did something like that, then what would happen? Honestly, it doesn't look bad at all. We could also, I'm trying to think, we could also randomize this so that it's not always placing a top tile. So let's see, is this everything that we need to do for the top tiles? If we really wanted to make it, no, I'm not gonna, I was gonna say we could even make it more dynamic where like, no, I'm just gonna ignore that for now. I would like to put some more variation in the smaller tiles. Let me see. So we have all of this. We could also put these. It might look slightly weird though, combining all of these together. We could also include these too. Let's see how that looks. It's not too bad. You see this? So yeah, the only part that looks weird is this. Oh wait, what the hell? Why is this? Why are we getting these random corner pieces? Did I accidentally include one here? Oh yeah, this is technically, this would not work. These wouldn't work either. Yeah, none of these would work. Whoops. Maybe this one would work, but I'm just gonna leave it like this. So run it again. There we go. But yeah, this corner piece. How do I handle this? We can make a tile specifically for this one. So 0 would be our top auto tile. 1 would be the right and the left auto tile. Then we would switch to the bottom. Let me look at our script one more time. What is considered a valid tile? Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do here is we're actually, instead of returning true or false, we're going to say valid. I'm not sure if this handles all edge cases, but we would say like return vector2.up so that we would know, oh, if it's an up, then we do add large cell of index 0. I don't know. Let me think. Is there anything that would break this? But yeah, this part is bothering me. This little section right here. And I'm not entirely sure what to do about it. This corner piece and this corner piece, we would have to make it like a, yeah, like an L. This one we would have to make into an L, and then this one we would have to make into a flat piece. Okay. Would we just check if there's nothing to the right? If there's nothing to the right, then we can keep it as the original, which was this. Oh wait, what? Yeah, it would basically make it look like that if it was a corner piece. This piece right here looks weird though. Ideally, I would like to make it a nice piece right there. So wait. That's for this one. Would we actually just remove it? Also, I would like to maybe fill in this area with something too. If vector2.right, so that's this one, vector2.right plus 1, vector2.right plus 1, vector2.right plus vector2.up. We don't have a vector2.right. See what that does. There we go. I mean, that solves for the corner piece. Now we don't have an auto tile ever on a corner piece like that. Or, I mean, eventually what we could do is convert it to a right piece, but for now, I'm just going to leave it like this. Also, this looks good, but if we added this, what do we do for this side? I think okay, so this is right here. We would have to check if there's something to the up left. This piece and right here. Congrats, Half. What did you finish exactly? Also, I want to see what happens if I remove this. Why is it so? It looks so blurry. So this is our piece. Do I need to check both of these? I think I do. I think at this point, let me try this. Vector 2 dot. Gonna start a stream on stream prep. Catch you later. All right, sounds good. Peace. No, nothing works because yeah, now we're basically checking in every direction. What we could do is also check if this was it was already a valid point. Because we are, let me see. Yeah, we could check if we, wait, no. And vector 2 and what? Tom map. Get cell V of input cell divided by 2 is not equal to -1. I think we got it. I think. I think we have to restart everything though. Let's try this again. And okay, wait. If gets LV and TOMMAP does not equal -1. I'm pretty sure I needed to be -1 actually. Yeah. If get cell V of input cell visual damage indicator that appears to hit an enemy. Took me some time to create the text. Never used the Unity 3D text in a 2D game, so it was quite interesting. I see. Quite interesting. It's equal to -1. If get cell V of input cell is equal to -1. Oh! Minus vector 2 dot left. Maybe? Please? No! Wait! Wait a second. Our if statement is just wrong. Also, why is, oh. Yeah, I did something wrong here. One, this is supposed to be -1. And this is supposed to be also -1. There we go. We are getting, wait. I don't know why we're getting these weird, try this again. Yeah, we're getting these L-shaped ones, which should not be the case. Yeah, our auto tile is setting this to the left. We're also getting right. Let me see. Let me see if anything's weird about this. Very interesting. Because it's setting adjacent to, like... This is our auto tile, let me see. We have a left piece here. Oh. Yeah, actually, I think we just messed up. What the hell? Why is this still a left piece? It's still a left it's still a left piece because yeah, we're just pushing it back one. Technically, if this happens, let me see. Maybe we'll just remove corner pieces and handle corner pieces somewhere else. I think that's maybe the better approach. Let me see. So we could leave it like this. We don't have too much variation in our thing, but maybe that's fine. Why is this still showing? Why are these still showing? Do we have another auto tile or something? None of these. All we have is this middle piece. This one, and this one. What's our priority? Oh, wait, no. What's our icon? Oh, yeah. Our icon needs to be. Guess that. So we don't have anything handling this. So okay, I figured it out finally. Because we don't have anything for this piece. Here, let's do this. We'll say our icon is this. That'll solve. Basically, this is the image we'll always get for now, at least for the time being. There we go. Ooh. Pretty good. And Fancy got a green screen now? Yeah. I mean, it's kind of hacked still. Also, I chose the wrong shirt to wear today, but that's okay. Also, how's it going, Grumble? Alright, this is not too bad, I don't think. What's the next thing to do? Add bottom tiles? So for bottom tiles, let me see something. Let's say this is our auto tile at the moment. This would be our ceiling. So then let's say we have something up here. Yeah, we'd still be checking everything, but instead of these two, wait, let me see. Maybe we should check these at the end because we're handling. Yeah, okay. Okay. Yeah, instead of returning a bool, we're gonna return just which direction we want it to go into. So, so we'll say return vector 2, 0. Now let's just do this. Var output. It's equal to vector 2, 0. Vector 2, 0. Honestly, I'm just gonna say vector 2, 0. There's no point in keeping this output direction. So, if our input cell plus vector 2 dot up actually does not equal -1, we would have to, yeah, all of these are going to be vector 2 dot 0, and then we have to figure out what direction we're going into. So, so we'll say if get cell why no hydrate message? I broke it. I don't know. I broke it and I don't know how to fix it. I'll figure it out eventually. If input cell can I make you speedrun the game 6 times in a row? That's how rich I am. You could. You do have that power. But I'll tell you, I do plan on adding more rewards pretty soon. You have the ability to make my work. You do. You definitely do. There's nothing I can do about it too. Like, you know, you spent the points, you know. I don't have, you know, free will or anything like that. You know, being an NPC and all. Wait a second. At this point, vector 2 dot up, like everything has been true. Oh god damn it, XTC. It'll be a good break from the speedrun, from tile maps. Yeah, maybe. We'll see. These tile map rooms are kind of broken though. Wait, but this is not our first chapter. Okay, let's do. Let me make sure that. Yeah, they'll just be broken. We're gonna speedrun through the broken game. Let's see. Yeah, it would have looked it would have looked better too if I didn't have to speedrun the game. Doesn't even look broken. That's because it's not dynamic. It's literally only a 16 by oh shit. It's literally only a 16 by 16 grid. What's going on here? Dude, did I screw something up? My game doesn't always look like this. Does it? Yeah, like our corner pieces are, you might have to go back to like an older version. We'll see. Oh, I sped up the dash. You can see you could dash like crazy now. It's gonna be a fun oh shit. I'm about to, oh actually wait. We're actually gonna try to speedrun this. I have like a huge advantage over the previous playtests. Upload to itch right now. No way, man. Not fair. Type's not fair. Look at the bugs on the bottom. Shit. I'm gonna get a higher score by doing worse. Oh my god, what the hell is... What's going on here? Oh no. It's because we were messing with the 16 by 16 tiles. Trying to convert them over. Oh no. It's a quick fix though. You're gonna see more of it probably. But we'll fix that. Probably not today though. Look at that. Oh no, this is kind of crazy. Just distracting too. Oh no. Nice squares, yeah. Every time you collide with it, you go faster too. Oh shit. No! Fuck. God damn it. Remember when you developed the laser mechanic? Yeah. Honestly, it's what I think it's everyone's least favorite mechanic because it's like one of the hardest rooms, but it's my favorite mechanic. Like it's always satisfying to, you know, when you get it on the first try, it's always pretty satisfying. For me, at least. I'm gonna make you get the world record. Do not. Oh shit! The game is bugged. We skipped this chapter. That's okay, cause that chapter is actually not in the game yet. It's fair for you guys, or fair for me actually. This is the chapter that's in the demo, so I think this is gonna be the third chapter actually. The one that I'm working on, the green one, is the one with the spinning orb things. That's gonna be chapter 2 actually, and this is gonna be chapter 3. We need to make him suffer. You know, there might be a thing where like I limit the amount of speedrun attempts that people can get. Also, this chapter is so boring to me. I need to do something about it. I think the only reason why it's here is because like to teach people about the mechanic. So like it's very, I don't know, like redundant. Oh shit. I'll need to figure out what to do, cause like it might be fun for the first time, like, you know, first time around, but then, you know, doing this shit in like attempting this in speedrun, you're literally just W keying the whole time. So I don't really like it. Add some obstacles after 2 or 3 parts of that mechanic. Yeah. It's just that I also want the player to get used to the mechanic. That's the thing. Oh shit. I don't think, honestly, I still don't think I'm gonna beat your high score, considering I'm making all of these mistakes. Oh my god. It's like literally like 30 seconds already down the drain. Oh my god. Alright, let's take it slow. Yeah, slow. I can't read the chat because, you know, I'm trying to beat the world record right now. Maybe add some hard routes to skip. So, oh yeah, that's actually a good idea. I'm sure some other ideas were said. It's hard to read and play. So we do have some skips, but I guess not enough skips. Like, you know, here, wait. You'll see. Oh my goodness. No world record beating. I don't think I am gonna beat it. This has been pretty slow. Or like I died way too much. Who knows? We'll see. There is a speedrun strategy I could do right here. Let me see if I could do it. There we go. Oh no, I fucked up. Damn it. I forgot what I was supposed to do. Here, we'll try it again. Yeah, this won't be a speedrun record, but here I can show you guys the strat. If I was good, I would have gotten it on my first try. Also, the pixel perfect animations are still an issue. Damn it. So close. You basically have to dash as you're about to collide with the green orb, so you get 2 dashes. And then you can get to that portal quicker. I did it on the first try, but then I messed up. I was supposed to go back into the portal. Here, we're just gonna do it the normal route. Dude, yeah. I don't get... We're still having issues with the pixel perfect animations. Like, you know, the camera movement and pixel perfect animations. Here's another speedrunning strat I'm sure you already know. This should just bounce off the portal. Here's more speedrunning squares. Why no start skip? What? What are you talking about? Start skip. I think this area is the one thing that I want to remove in the game too is the necessity to be like pixel perfect for certain scenarios. Like that right there is kind of annoying. God damn it. Have I put a Mac version? No, I have not. I will. I should. I haven't tested it on a Mac, so I don't want to put it on a Mac, but if someone wants to test it out for me. Oh shit. Greatly appreciated. Yeah, I'll test it for you. Alright, well, I'll add a new version of the game once we fix our tile maps. Once I fix the pixel perfect issue with the camera. And then I'll upload a new version. So within, I'd say by the end of the month, I think everything should be done. Like, I should have this new chapter done. I should have pixel perfect working. I should have the new dynamic tile map hopefully working. Goddamn, bro. Oh, I forgot there's this level too. Dude, I thought I fixed the the camera movement issue, but it's still here. So sad. Oh wait, it seems like it's so weird. Sometimes it feels like it works, and then other times... Here, let's see. Yeah, look, it's fine here. Goddamn. Okay. Gotta chill. Gotta chill. Okay, there we go. No way that was like less than 7 minutes. 11. How the hell did you play this in like 7 minutes? You're crazy. I suck. Yeah. Whoops. No. Fuck. No. Well, at least now I think it works. Oh, man. Alright. Wait, let me just make sure. Speedrun attempt. You know what? One hours per stream? Two. I think two is fair. And once every hour. I think that's fair. Dude, this is a programming stream, not a watch me be bad at my own game stream. Where's my speedrun? You got it. Don't worry. Don't worry. You paid for it. Okay. Here, I'm also gonna include chapter 2. Might as well showcase that. So it'll still be slow. I won't be able to beat the world record today. Chapter 3. Those fake internet points mean a lot, yeah. This is also a pretty short chapter. Literally, I want to make more, but for now, I'm just gonna leave it like this. What the fuck? Okay. Alright, let's restart. I couldn't redeem again anyway. It limited me to 1 per... Oh, okay, yeah. Per user, I see. Oh, that's not too bad then. Maybe I should keep it that way. 1,000. And just limited per user. But then you guys can like team up against me and force me to... Like, I'm sure if Octo was here, he would probably join in and be like, aha, screw you, NPC. Oh, shit. Also, I started using, you can see my arrow is like always moving around. I don't use the mouse anymore. Or I've been using the, I've been using arrow keys lately. I kind of like it. God damn it. Yeah. So I will say, what I plan on doing with the channel points is like, there will be free, like, I was thinking just to give free copies of the game for people who, you know, can't afford it or anything like that. That'd be really cool for people who are loyal to your stream but can't buy it. Yeah, exactly. I mean, honestly, if you were on my stream and like you just asked me, like without, I feel like if you asked me without spending the points, I would also give it to you. You know? But it's just there, I guess, for people who like, let's say if you're new to the stream and you like the game, you know, if I saw your face a few times and you asked, I'd probably just give it either way. Damn it. Except Mr. Glick. I'm not giving Mr. Glick any copies for free. Name in the credits? Sounds good. Remind me after this, in case I forget. See, Styx uses her points wisely. God damn it. Dude, come on, man. This room needs to be updated. Like, it shows good potential, or a lot of potential, but it's just too difficult in my opinion. Or like, it just requires too much precision. Too much get good. Dude. Oh my god. Okay. I just need to chill. Relax my brain. I'm getting too excited, you know? Too excited. Or maybe too chill. Now we need to get a little bit more excited. Okay. Relax your brain. Brain is relaxed. Get good or get godot? I like it. Oh, I messed up. I forgot. I need to update this room. You have to be like super pixel perfect for this room. Or like, not pixel perfect. Yeah, it's kind of... Here, you'll see in a second. I'm probably going to die a shit ton. Never mind. Alright. Now it's for this broken section here. NPC, after releasing his game and trying to make some money, everyone asking him to give a free copy. I mean, like, the thing is, I don't think, like, the whole point of, like, releasing on, like, getting sales from people who watch my streams is not really going to make a difference in how much money I make. Like, let's say max, I have 20, you know, quote-unquote dedicated viewers who want the game for free. That's only $200. Like, while, yeah, okay, $200 is nice to have. I've been working on this game for over 2 years. Like, that's chump change relative to the amount of time I've spent on this game. $200 before taxes, yeah, true. So yeah, the whole point is, like, if the game becomes, like, you know, I guess ideally it would be nice if the game became somewhat popular on Steam, or, you know, just got a little bit of attraction to make the game worthwhile. Yeah, like I said, giving away free copies, even, like, just anyone really, like, I want to profit off the strangers, you know? The people I don't know. Not the people who watch my streams. But strangers are cool too. Now I don't want to treat them like they're, you know, they're just dollar bills to me or something. Steam takes 30%? Yeah. Oh no. God damn it, bro. Come on. This part I think is okay. Like, I do need to update the room just a bit, but it's okay to be pixel perfect here because it is a speed running, like that is a shortcut, so I think it's fine. Oh no, I shouldn't read the... I mean, the timer doesn't go when the game is paused, at least for now. So... yeah, I should just pause whenever I want to read the chat. BRB, work meeting, sounds good. Steam doesn't always take 30%, there is a rule, but in most cases only very popular brands and large publishers will benefit from it. A game that generates more than 10 million in sales only has to pay 25% fee on each subsequent sale. Copy paste. I see. Alright, well, 10 million? That's like, that's pretty easy, right? I'll get that in the first week. Oh my god. At 1 million? Yeah, imagine. I know, on itch, I think the max price you can set is 10,000. I wouldn't be surprised if there's something similar for Steam. Alright, this is the final room. Dude, come on, man. I just have like my neurons just don't fire, or they're just like very slow to fire. Just got a 724. God damn it. You hella slow. Dude, you must be cheating. You must be running the game on easy or something. That's probably what you're doing. God damn it, bro. No, it doesn't. Actually, the time is consistent. The time is based on delta, and that's how I edit the speed. Damn, we did worse. Oh, but it's because I added the that chapter. Yeah. Eventually I'll update it. The reason why I didn't update it is because if you do if you made it not consistent with delta, then what am I trying to say? Nightmare mode. You would be able to run nightmare mode and get across really fast too. So I just need to make sure. Honestly, I'm gonna get rid of nightmare mode because there's no point. I don't think there's a point in making the game more difficult. They'll just be standard and then make the game easier if you choose to. Remember when you'd buy my game for $80 in PC? Yeah, I do remember that. Okay. Let's get back to working on the time. We spent like 30 minutes just doing that. Good. Okay. What the hell was I doing? I already forgot. Why is this, where's our script here? If gets, I completely forgot what I was doing. Let's see. Can't speedrun attempt. Oh no. What the hell happened? Is there something else bugged? Oh, there we go. So yeah, there is a bug, actually. Let's see. Boom. And then if I do this. Huh. What the hell? What the frick? Return true? Oh wait, we did. Let me see. This isn't what we're supposed to do, but let's give it a shot. Plants vs. Zombies. Earthbound. Why is Kendrick Lamar here? You know, I'm sick of working on this auto tile. I'm actually sick of it. There's too many edge cases. Add Zelda and chill. 1, 2, 3. Not this track. The track before. Yeah. I switched to lo-fi Undertale and Deltarune. Zelda. I'm scared of using Zelda because they freaking, they'll sue anyone. I think I've heard Zelda and Chill though. Yeah, Zelda and Chill? Wait, oh, this is a different Zelda. This one though? Zelda. Oh yeah. Yeah, it is pretty good. Lost Woods. Song of Storms. I haven't heard this one, but this one's pretty good. We'll risk it. Hopefully we don't get a strike. What's going on? Invalid operands? Oh, yeah. No shit. Did I hear news from the lo-fi girl? No. Finally some good effing music. Alright, so this works. Now let's figure out how to do vector 2 dot down. How's it going, Nano? Didn't disappear. She introduced. Seems like clickbait. A very relaxing mystery. Disappeared from YouTube over bogus copyright claims. Okay, so what we're going to say is if get cell v of our input cell plus vector 2 dot up. Is this all I have to do? Is equal to -1. I see a demo's nearly ready for us. Technically yes, but also there's still so much polishing that I want to do. Wait, yeah, wait. Input cell times 2. Dude, I don't have enough brain cells for this. Let me start speedrunning your stuff, please. Oh, you could speedrun them. I mean, you could speedrun it whenever. It's just, yeah. It's just not gonna be the complete. Like, I'm always updating the game. But yeah, if you want to speedrun it, go right ahead. There are. Let me. I do need to update a new version. Honestly, I could update a new version right now. Actually. What is this calculus magic? So I can show you what I'm currently trying to work on. It's basically I'm trying to make a dynamic tile map using both 16 by 16 and 8 by 8 tiles. So like, you know, if we did something like this, if we made an auto tile that looked like, you know, kind of wacky like this, I mean, just, you know, whatever we wanted. Inside, whenever we could fit a 16 by 16, we would. So if I test this out, it doesn't work just yet because it's still super buggy, but yeah, it doesn't even work like this. Whoops. Is there a Discord I need to be joining? If you want to, completely optional. Yeah, you can play the game just by going onto the itch page. So yeah, there is one on Steam, but that one's outdated actually. This is the updated game. But yeah, let me update the game right now. Actually, like within this stream, I don't know what to. Okay, so yeah, you can see now it works. Now we have these 16 by 16 tiles within, well, just on the top, which maybe that is all I will do for now. We'll see. I think I fixed all the bugs, so here, chapter 3. Let's fix that bug in chapter 2. Chapter 2. By bug, I mean just replace this auto tile here. I like the ifs and the returns, very aesthetically pleasing. They might be aesthetically pleasing, but they're literally very annoying. Let me see. Auto tile 2. Let's make sure we set this back to 8. Ooh. What? Oh, I broke the game by doing this. God damn it. Okay, so we have to go... Here, let's erase everything here. And we have to just redesign this map again. Here, actually what I'll do is we'll keep this here. And we'll make a duplicate. We'll just draw over it. Stop the Zelda music. Zelda executive. We will not allow that. Is this... There's no way this is real. It's actually gave me a heart attack though, whoever you are. But you know what? It's scaring me enough. Let's change it. It's me, the Zelda guy. Watch out or Nintendo of America will give you the finger. Yeah. You have to ruin the fun for all of us. If I had to place my bets, it's probably Mr. Glick. Since he isn't here anymore. This is why we can't have nice things. Is it actually you, Half Moon? It's Mr. Glick. Well, you know what? You asked for it, and now you took it away. It was pretty funny though. Yeah, you know, my heart did like actually like, I wouldn't say it skipped a beat, but you know, the fear started building up. At first I was like, oh, this is a troll, and then like you think about it for a few seconds and like, oh my god. Like, I mean, Yeah. It could totally happen, I feel. Dodged a $20 million. I don't think they would find you. I mean, Twitch has some things that, like, you would just get a copyright strike. I've never gotten one yet, but it's probably wise to avoid it. Also, it's not like it's owned by Zelda. Whoever made that, like, I'm not sure how they did it, but, like, you know, they made their lo-fi version of the Zelda soundtrack. Like, I wonder how they were able to do it, you know. John Nintendo would see your ass personally, though. Zelda executive. Actually got you scared? I think... Not that, like, obviously it's well... It's easy to say now in hindsight. Oh, yeah, it was definitely fake. You never know. You never know those kind of things. I mean, I did say it was a troll, but, like, you know, the more you inspect it, it's like, is it even worth fighting for, you know? Because who knows? What there is an off chance that it, you know, some actual executive said some shit, you know? I don't know. The amount of time it takes for a song to go public domain is nutters. I mean, yeah, isn't it like 70 years or something like that? Over 70 years? Okay, I think we fixed this room for the most part. I'm pretty sure it was a song by Game Chops, and it's supposed to be DMCA free as far as I know. The cover? What the hell's going on here? Let me see. What was it by? Game Chops. Yeah. Let's see. Is Game Chops DMCA free? Free to use with a credit to the musician and a link back to its website or album used. Yeah, but what about, like, literally, like, it's literally owned by Nintendo. Like, do you have to ask for permission from Game Chops and Nintendo? It's not, it's a cover. I see. But then what's to stop someone from using it for their game or something? You know, what if I made a Zelda clone and I literally just used Game Chops cover? Can I use this account from now on? You gonna try to get a point so you can force me to speedrun my game? Ride of the Valkyries? Yeah. Covers owe royalties to the OG and the terms and conditions surrounding its use. I see. And have terms and conditions surrounding its use. Well, you upgraded to a green screen? Yeah. Totally not a spam bot. Oh my goodness. What's up, my fellow NPCs? Dude, our game crashed. Whoa. Happy NPC noises. Buggy engine. Yeah, time to switch to a more serious engine. Time to redo this whole game in Unreal. Gotta get a refund for that janky engine. True. Time to switch to Scratch. Oh, yeah. Actually, yeah. That's a good idea. Totally not a spam bot. Thank you. Who is this? It's... You know who it is? It's Half Moon. Has to be Half Moon. Make your own engine, custom render, do your own physics, all the tooling yourselves. Finally, we can be bug free. Why don't I just make my own computer too? Alright, I think we fixed this. It isn't buggy. Alright, so we'll stick to the 8x8 grid. You know, honestly, make an OS as well, yeah. We'll make it in Lua, people will love it. Let's do it. There's one other issue with this, crush sand into silicon wafers yourself. True, we need to, like, invent electricity as well. Definitely adding Hall of the Mountain King to my repertoire of songs on stream when it goes public domain. Hall of the Mountain King. Is this on loop? Like, I feel like the song is... I guess it's just a very long song. Or 4 minutes long. What are other songs like this? What's that? Classical bangers? You must first invent the universe. We could do that. DMCA free classical music. Mozart, Wagner, Beethoven. Is that how you spell Mozart? Mozart. Whoops. the orchestration can be copyrighted. You might be right about that, but I feel like I don't know now. The arrangement or whatever it's called. Why are you needing non-copyright music? We don't. We're just trolling right now. Oh god. You know, we're just gonna stick to what we know. Can't go wrong with this. That's much better. Feel less bored already. Yep. Okay. Didn't know how you can get banned so easily, but all those OnlyFans Twitch girls are still doing their thing. I don't think you'll get banned. You get copyright strikes, and then I think if you get enough copyright strikes, you can get banned. Like here, you can see here, if you look at I have 0 copyright strikes. If I accumulate 3 strikes, my account may be terminated. Maybe. Yeah, the OnlyFans girls are... That's like the most popular thing lately. It's usually late at night when it happens, though. People usually don't get permabanned, though. Yeah, that's true. I mean, it's usually because of, like, I don't know. Like, you always see people getting banned, and it's always, like, for other things. Not like, I don't know if they take copyright super seriously. Or, like, what's the law behind it, you know? Like, I know some YouTubers have gotten banned after breaking a few of, like, their copyright rules or whatever. Bans I see are for, like, Unity, saying racist stuff, etc., etc. Yeah, but even those bans are not... Those bans are usually temporary as well. Like, those are the ones that I see are temporary. The copyright ones might be more serious, you know? Because then, like, you know, saying something racist or, like, nudity is not, like, is not something that can get you sued, whereas copyright is. So they might not be as serious about it. But I don't know. I really don't know. Usually just mutes your VODs, yeah. I've noticed that actually happens to some of my streams. There's a workaround. I found streamers that separate the audio channels that... Yeah, that's true. And then they put it into their VODs. They remove it from their VODs, I mean. Unity is a bannable offense. Yeah, we don't like Unity around here. It's really easy. Yeah. I know. I haven't done it. I probably should, because yeah, sometimes here, I mean, if we look at my streams, sometimes I get it. It's pretty rare though. Yeah, like right here I have muted audio. Oh my god. Like 1 in 4 videos it seems. Oh, but that's fine here. Oh my god. You did 4 days expiring. Oh, these are expiring videos. Unity will DMCA you if you're streaming in their engine. criminal. Twitch is taking. I mean, it's not that like I think they have to take it seriously because then they'll get sued by by the artists or whatever. Unless you're talking about the Unity. Unless you're talking about the nudity Unity stuff and racism and all of that. Okay. I think I'm ready to release. We'll figure out the whole 16 by 16 tile map later. Don't be racist. Seems like a pretty, I wonder like what happens if people are racist on, like, if you're streaming, let's say you're playing COD or something and people are racist in your like proximity chat. What happens then? I had a point for saying the N-word on stream. What? What's the N-word? NPC? Nothing happens in proximity chat, as far as I know. Yeah, I wanted to do. Oh my god! Don't be edgy, Zelda. Most streamers immediately mute right away. Yeah. Wait, we need to fix this issue with our tile map. By default, we set our cell size to 18. I'm sorry, 16. People who are openly racist stream on Kick. Kick streams when? Oh my god. Stop. Where is... I forgot what I called this script. Or, it seems like we don't run it here. It seems like we run it maybe in our world. Let's see. No, probably in a room. Room demo. Filler tile map. Wait, what? Oh, okay. And the... Where is it? Auto tile cell size. It's equal to our auto tile dot get cell size dot x. What the hell? Auto tile dot get cell size. What's going on here? How long have I been working on this game? I've been working on this for 2.5 years. 3 days. Imagine being that good. What the hell? Why is our filler? It's bugged out right now. Add child. Auto tile cell size +1. It seems like auto tile cell size. Cell size. It's supposed to be 8, but it looks like it's 16 sometimes. Are you releasing a new build soon? Yeah. Hopefully by the end of this stream, if I can figure out why the hell this is bugged out. Here, wait, I gotta pee. Code is AI generated, yeah. Alright, I don't think we solved it, but let me run it and see what's going on. Wait, maybe we did solve it. I don't see the problem anymore. Unless it's in this room, which it is. Okay, so yeah, it looks like these are... Oh, I know exactly what happened here. We set these to 16 by 16, supposed to be 8 by 8. There we go. Okay. I think that's it. I think I'm just going to export this version, test it one time, see if it works, and if it does, we'll export it to Windows. Let me see. Okay, yeah. We'll call this 8.2.8.2. I don't even remember what I fixed here, but by the way, do you prefer do you want feedback in your Discord on the game, or do you prefer having feedback in a specific, whichever way you're most comfortable with? Typically, the best form of feedback is like if you record the gameplay. That way I can actually see what you're doing. But also your feedback is also appreciated. It's just that sometimes people can't give me. Sometimes feedback isn't like not to say I don't appreciate feedback, but sometimes the feedback is like biased in some way. Like they don't like a mechanic, or they think it's too hard, or something like that. But like when someone says the game is too hard, it's usually like I need to know why they think it's too hard. Like they might be struggling with something, or maybe they're really good but they still think it's too hard. Because then that's a different problem. I'm gonna go for now. All right, I'll see ya, Mr. Glick. There's quality to feedback for sure. Yeah. Oh my god. So yeah, usually I think watching someone play is like the best form of feedback, just because like then I know exactly what their gaming experience was like. And then on top of that, with their feedback in mind is also really good. I usually don't play in full screen. Oh, wait, what? Do you see that? What was that? Was that on my stream, or was that in the game? I was playing through my stream, like I was looking at my second monitor, and now I don't know. It must have been the game. There's no way. Let me turn off the music here. But when I was dying a lot, I wish I could respawn a bit faster. I actually reduced the respawn rate. It's half the time now. It was, I believe it was I want to say it was 0.2 seconds, now it's 0.1 seconds. Or whatever it was, it's half that. Yeah, I'm not sure. I don't know if it was you who said that piece. Like someone said that they would like to have an option where they can respawn faster. And I was like, wait, let me just make it faster. Like you don't need the option to. Let's just make it faster. It's not a big deal. I only said okay. So then that's a good piece of advice, because yeah, someone said that earlier, and I just decided to make it faster. Yeah, you're not the only one. Yeah, actually, when someone says it, when more than one person says it, then when one person says it, I'm like, I don't know, we'll see. But if two people say it, then it's usually, it might be right. The one piece of criticism that I tend to, I don't get this often, but a lot of people say they don't like the fact that the dash cancels, like once you finish your dash, your momentum ends. And people seem to not like that. Or some people don't like that. And I think it's because they're used to Celeste, but I'm trying to separate my game from Celeste. So I kind of want to keep it. Also, if I did keep the momentum, I would have to redesign this entire game, which I don't know if I want to do. Like, I most definitely do not want to redesign the entire game. The reason why there's no momentum is because it just makes the game easier to like understand what it's more like. It's a it's not a turn-based game, but it's more turn-based. There's more like, it's a precision platformer, but it allows you to input without any bullshit. If there was momentum, then it's just another factor that could I don't know, that's allowed for more variability, if that makes sense. Which, I mean, a lot of games do, but I'm trying to make this game as like responsive as possible. If that makes sense. You might divide feedback from criticism of your creative direction / control. You're making a game in your vision, not other people's vision, you know? Yeah. So yeah, I get that piece of criticism. Like I said, it's not a lot, but it's like, I would say 1 in 50. I've only received it twice, actually, or maybe 3 times. People saying that they don't like that. They feel like it ruins the momentum of the game, but I think it's because they've played Celeste, and so they think they're comparing it to Celeste. Oh, we didn't fix this area. It's gonna be a little hard for people, but I'm gonna keep it. Okay, and we know this area is fine, but I'm just gonna make sure it's not bugged in any way. And then we'll just post it on itch. What time is it? 5. If I woke up earlier, I would have streamed twice today, but it's getting pretty late. I like that it doesn't have momentum. I like the stop and go effect. Yeah, I like it too. But maybe it's because I'm so used to it. That's why I think it's subjective. Like it's not a piece of feedback. It's a subjective piece of feedback, not a like gameplay. Like it doesn't ruin the gameplay, I don't think. You just have to get used to it. I've thought about making a turn, like, this is like something that I would like to explore. A turn-based platformer. I feel like would be very cool. Not maybe not turn-based, but like very, like, you know, 0.1 increment like timer. So like every 0.1 seconds, you have to input something. And you guys, there's like this game that actually was made with Godot. It's called I forgot what it's called. It's something, the only move is hustle or something like that. Your only move is hustle. And it's a turn-based fighting game. It's very cool. Turn-based, like, you know, kind of like, it's like Super Smash Bros, but it's turn-based. And like the fighting sequences are like crazy. Like they look super intense. But it's all turn-based. And I wonder if I could do the same thing, but with a platformer. But it's just an idea at the moment. I still have to finish this game, obviously. Oh shit. Whoops. And I also wonder if people have an issue with, maybe they just have an issue with the amount of time. I think it's I want to say it's 0.5 seconds that the player has to wait. Oh, no, it's 0.3 seconds, 300 milliseconds, and maybe that's just too much. If I reduce it to maybe maybe 0.15, 150 milliseconds, maybe that'll be fast enough for them to not notice or not complain about the wait. Oh, god damn it. There's another issue though. Well, actually, it's not really an issue, but you can dash again after, like, you can't spam dashes, but you can dash again after 100 milliseconds. So there is going to be some stop in the player's movement after a dash, but it doesn't have to be the full 300 milliseconds. It could be after 100 milliseconds. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so bad. Alright. You know, I'm so used to playing this game in windowed mode that playing in full screen is like, it's almost distracting because my eyes have to move all the way to the left side. Damn it. To get... Oh my god, I just need to slow it down. This is like the one thing I also don't like about these levels, is that like transitioning, the hitboxes are a little weird. Turn-based, not sure how it would work. It wouldn't be actually turn-based, more so just like higher increments of like longer delta increments. So you have more time to think between like it would be a lot harder, but you would have way more time to think of like what's your route. Again, I don't know what I would actually do. Because that's basically what I did with the, you know, at the neutral state. Like, you know how you have, when you have 0.3 or 0.2 seconds of like leeway, that's basically giving the player some time to think. But we could do that with like a ton more states, or like how we have freezing frames, like right here. The game freezes for 2 pixels whenever you hit these green orbs. You know. Photoshop flowy fight music is so fun. 10 minutes. Dude, I do not know how Mr. Glick got 7 minutes. By the way, if you guys get a high score, I'd say sub, maybe for this version, anything sub 10 minutes, I will put you in the where is it? In the Speedrunner Hall of Fame. So right now it's only Mr. Glick. I just added this. So yeah, if you get anything faster than this will always update though. So like once I add a new version, that'll be replaced with anyone who made a world record will be removed. But yeah, for those of you interested. Okay, I think it seems like it's fine. So I'll just upload this to itch. Gonna get myself in there shortly. Sounds good. Also, I think you said you wishlisted. Thank you, by the way. I don't know if I thanked you earlier. Okay. Let's just upload this. I'll upload the. I think I have to go on my laptop to upload the Mac and itch. I mean, sorry, Mac and Linux. I'll do that. I'll do that soon. Beware of some bugs. There might be some bugs. Also, there are some issues with like the pixel perfect animations, especially with the moving camera. Sometimes it just acts weird. We still haven't solved that issue. But I think I'm pretty close to fixing it. All right. Let me just upload. We'll wait for that. Should also put in the number of deaths on that speedrun. That's a pretty good idea. Also, eventually, we're like running on a honor system. Playing the game in easy could technically make you win. Like, currently running on easy runs the game at 0.8 speed, but that also manipulates the timer. Same with running it on nightmare. There's no point in playing in either. I mean, if you want to get a higher score and run it on easy, you can, but just know that that's going to change in the near future. So running on easy will not. Basically, it's running at 0.8 speed. I'll be adding, that 0.8 to the timer as well eventually. I just haven't done it yet. We'll probably make like an actual leaderboard system eventually. It's the least of my priorities at the moment. So yeah, for now people have just been screenshotting it, so if you get to that high score, just make sure you screenshot it. Ideally, if you record it, that'd be good, but yeah, requiring people to record every single run might be too much. This is also just, pre-alpha or whatever you want to call it, so it's not like It's not that deep. Move up. Where is it? Oh, move up, up. Let's, I'm just gonna delete this 0.72 because it is bugged. I'm gonna delete both of these. I will keep the Linux version here for now until we get the Linux version up on. Yeah. Oh, if you're streaming it, then that's also probably good. Running Nightmares so that the Speedrunner Hall of Fame has to reflect that. Okay. Oh, I wouldn't run it. Just a warning. I'm going to be removing the Nightmare mode. Just because it doesn't represent the game, and it's like an added feature, but I don't want people getting used to that mechanic because it's like literally just, getting used to that feature because it's not like, I don't know. I think it's a pretty cheap way of making the game difficult. It's just increasing the speed, I think, this will be the standard, like normal will be the standard, and then you can make the game easier if you so choose to. And then, collectibles will be the challenging part of the game. Or, like if people are speedrunning the game, like, there's any speedruns, then there's 100% speedruns. That'll make the game, that'll change the difficulty of the game. Am I creating a map? Speedrun all collectibles, yeah. The collectibles are pretty easy to get, actually. Well, it'd be nice if I could do something like that. 100% speedruns. They're not, but it's not crazy at the moment. Right now, just focus on, if you want, like, I'm not going to tell what you need to do. But yeah, if you want to just do any speedruns right now, that's probably the best. Okay, should be up. Should be good. Demo 0.2.8. There we go. Are you creating a map? Like a map for the game? No. Using Butler? What you talking about? No, I'm not creating a map. Messing around with LDTK is the title of the stream. That was because I was messing with LDTK, but it's not good enough. Or maybe it is. It's just too difficult for me to figure out right now. How long do I want my game to be in the end? It really depends. Like, yeah, ideally, like, dude, if it could be like a 40-hour game, I would love that. But that might be too ambitious. I think the minimum, if I could get it to like 5 to 10 hours, that would be great. And then depending on how the game does with those 5 to 10 hours, like in terms of like popularity and all of that, I would love to just expand on it. Like I'd probably do free updates, like, just free expansions of the game. Ideal. Like if the game keeps selling, you know what I mean? I would just keep updating it. Oh, no, I'm not automating uploads. That's probably something I should do. The Butler manual. Upload builds of your game quickly and reliably to itch.io. Oh, okay. I'll have to look into this. Also, totally not a spam bot. Who are you? Are you... I don't know who it is. I thought it was Half Moon, but I guess not. You don't know me? Oh, okay. What about me? Half Moon, I thought you were totally not a spam bot. Or maybe you are. Maybe you're trying to big brain me right now. Okay, I don't think I have anything else planned for today. I was gonna keep working. I might work on the top map off stream. That way you guys don't see me, smashing my keyboard out out of frustration. But yeah. Let's see who we can raid. Oh, and if you guys want to play the game here, just I mean it's in the description, but I'll just do that for anyone. Devro? Is Devro streaming? Probably, right? Let's see. Do we do another poll for who's streaming? You know, I don't think I've rated Riazi. I don't think I've ever rated Riazi, so I think I should actually. Baby, when you need that good. We'll do Devro next time. I would rate Cricket, but he every time I rate him, it's always been he's like ending his stream as I rate him. And Riazi get a lot of viewers too. Rate a Fortnite dude tomorrow? Sure, let's do it. Alright. Till next time, everybody. Thanks for the stream. Catch you later. Peace. Totally not a spam bot. See ya, Half Moon. See ya, Octo. See ya, Hellraiser. Dankly. Epic Window. Till next time. Did I miss anyone? Dankly, Math, Nano. Peace, peace.